Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Moto G34. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store, then click on search bar and search for Firefox. And now click install. Now click open. Here you can set your Firefox browser as your default browser, or you can click on Not Now. Now you can sign in into your Firefox account, or you can click Not Now. Here you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click Not Now. And now your Firefox browser is installed and ready to use. So that's for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.